Your engine's shaking at idle, hesitating on acceleration, and guzzling fuel? Your mechanic just quoted you $500 to replace those injectors. But here's the truth they don't want you to know. They're not broken, they're just dirty. And I'm going to show you exactly how to clean them in your driveway for under $10, with zero specialized tools. By the end of this video, you'll know which method works for your car, how to do it safely, and critically, when cleaning actually won't help. How your engine actually breathes fuel. Before we jump to the fix, here's what you need to understand in 90 seconds. Your fuel injectors aren't simple pumps, they're precision instruments. They spray fuel as a superfine mist into your engine's cylinders. That mist needs to atomize perfectly, mix with air, and burn completely. Your car's computer controls them with millisecond-level accuracy, delivering fuel at exactly the right moment. Everything depends on three things: that perfect mist, that perfect timing, and that pressure, up to 2,000 pounds per square inch. Now, when carbon deposits clog those microscopic holes, we're talking fractions of a millimeter. That perfect mist becomes an uneven stream. One clogged injector in a 4-cylinder means 25% of your engine is struggling. That's why fixing this makes such a dramatic difference. Okay, before we jump into fixing this, we gotta figure out if it's really your injectors. Check out these signs. Recognize the symptoms. So how do you know if your injectors are dirty? Here are the 5 telltale signs. Rough idle. Your car vibrates while sitting still at a red light. That's your fuel spray pattern getting disrupted. Poor acceleration. You press the gas pedal, but the car feels lazy or delayed. That hesitation means the engine isn't getting fuel efficiently. Worse fuel economy. You suddenly fill up more often without changing your driving habits. The engine compensates by using more fuel overall. Hard starting. The engine cranks longer than usual before firing up. Engine misfires or check engine light. In serious cases, cylinders fail to ignite properly. This is often a direct result of uneven fuel spray. Now, these symptoms can come from other issues: bad spark plugs, failing sensors, timing problems. But fuel injectors are one of the most overlooked causes. That's exactly why it's worth trying to clean them first before you replace anything else. Your 2 paths to fix this. Alright, so your injectors are probably the problem. Here's your game plan. We have 2 ways to fix this, and which one you choose depends on how bad the clog is. Method 1, the lazy way. This is a fuel additive that works 80% of the time. Pour it in, drive normally, and let chemistry do the work. Takes 5 minutes and $15. Method 2, the deep clean. This is for when the clog is serious. You physically remove the injectors and flush them with pressurized solvent. It's more involved, but it's the nuclear option. Here's the thing. If you try method 1 and your car is still hesitating, or that check engine light comes back, we'll move to method 2. And if even that doesn't work, there's one problem we're going to talk about that cleaning can't fix. That's when you know it's time to see a mechanic. Let's start with the easiest one. Method 1, the lazy way. Fuel additive. Let's start with the easiest method first, because honestly, this is going to fix most people's problems. Pick up a quality fuel injector cleaner from any auto parts store. Brands like Redline, Techron, or Gumout all work well. You're looking at $15 to $30 max. Compare that to $500. Wait until your fuel tank is nearly empty, then pour the entire bottle directly into the tank. This is important. You want a higher concentration of cleaner, not a tiny amount diluted in a full tank. Fill the tank completely with fuel. As you drive, the cleaner mixes with the gasoline and moves through the entire fuel system. And here's where people mess up. You actually have to drive the car afterward. Don't just idle the engine for 5 minutes. Highway driving is especially helpful because it keeps fuel flowing consistently through the injectors. You want varied RPMs, steady speeds, some acceleration, basically normal driving conditions that exercise your entire fuel system. Will you notice an instant transformation after 2 minutes? No. Sometimes it takes an entire tank of fuel before you notice improvements. But many drivers report smoother idling, better throttle response, and improved fuel economy after using a quality cleaner. The beautiful part? This method costs almost nothing, requires no tools, no disassembly, and no mechanic. Alright, before we dive into the deep clean, the method that actually fixes serious clogs, drop a quick subscribe to Motor Minds. Seriously, it takes 2 seconds, and it's the only way we can keep making these DIY guides every single week. Let's do this. Method 2, the deep clean for serious buildup. Now, what if a simple fuel additive isn't cutting it? If your injectors are seriously clogged, it's time for the deep clean. This method forces concentrated solvent directly through the injector while physically cycling it open and closed. It's cheap, under $10, and incredibly effective. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Safety and setup. First, safety. Work in a well-ventilated area. Disconnect your negative battery terminal and relieve the fuel system pressure by pulling the fuel pump fuse and cranking the engine. Gather your gear. Pressurized carburetor cleaner, a 12-volt battery, jumper wires with alligator clips, and a plastic syringe or rubber hose to use as an adapter. Step 2. Remove the injectors. Carefully unbolt the fuel rail and gently wiggle the fuel injectors out. Take a quick look at the rubber O-rings. If they are cracked or flattened, make sure to replace them. Step 3. Assemble your cleaning rig. Attach your DIY adapter, the syringe or hose, to the injector inlet and insert the cleaner straw into it. Also, as a quick side note, you can buy purpose-built injector cleaner adapters online for just a few dollars if you prefer not to make one. Next, clip your jumper wires to the injector connector and the 12-volt battery. Step 4. The golden rule, pulse. Listen closely. This is critical. Fuel injectors are designed to pulse, not stay open. If you hold the wire against the battery continuously, you will melt the internal solenoid and destroy the injector. The rule is simple. Pulse, never hold. Tap that wire rapidly against the battery terminal. Step 5. Blast and clean. Press the aerosol can to build up pressure, then start tapping the wire. Click, click, click. You might see a weak, erratic spray at first. That's just the stubborn carbon fighting back. Keep pulsing. Within 10 to 15 seconds, watch the magic happen. That messy stream will shatter into a beautiful, perfectly atomized cone of fine mist. That's when you know it's completely clean. Step 6. Reassembly and testing. Repeat this process for each injector. Before you reinstall them, coat the O-rings with a tiny drop of clean engine oil to prevent tearing. Put everything back together, prime the fuel system by cycling the ignition 3 times to check for leaks, and then start the engine. Get ready to enjoy an incredibly smooth, rock-solid idle. When cleaning won't work, important. Now, here's the part everyone skips, and it's critical to understand. Cleaning removes deposits, but it cannot repair mechanical or electrical failures. If an injector is physically damaged, stuck open, electrically faulty, or leaking internally, cleaning products won't fix it. Severely clogged injectors after years of neglect might need professional ultrasonic cleaning or complete replacement. So how do you know cleaning isn't working? If the engine still misfires after cleaning, if the check engine light comes back within a few days, if fuel economy stays terrible, or if the car still struggles under acceleration, then you're probably dealing with a deeper issue. At that point, you might need a fuel pressure test, an injector balance test, or professional diagnostics to identify the real problem. But here's the good news. A huge number of injector-related performance issues are caused by carbon buildup alone. And that's exactly why cleaning is one of the cheapest, smartest maintenance jobs you can do yourself, especially if your car has high mileage. Preventative maintenance. Many mechanics recommend using injector cleaner periodically as preventative maintenance, even before symptoms appear. Keeping injectors clean helps your engine run smoother, meaning better fuel economy, better performance, and less stress on components. Here's a final tip most overlook. Cheap fuel creates more deposits faster. You don't need premium gas, but low-quality fuel contributes to buildup. Use fuel from reputable stations and avoid running your tank extremely low. Those habits make a big difference long-term. Fuel injector cleaning is one of those rare maintenance jobs that's cheap, simple, and genuinely effective. Unlike online miracle fixes, this actually improves engine performance. So before spending $500 at a shop, try these methods. You might be surprised how much smoother your car feels. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more DIY car maintenance guides. Drop a comment letting me know which method you used. Your experience might help others decide which approach to take. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.